Star Wars only, I don't know what the fuck your problem is.
So, Samuel Jackson, who played Mace Windu in the prequels, really wants to come back. And we've known about this, but he came out more and he really, like, really wants Mace Windu to come back. And it's very interesting. So, according to, you know, Samuel L., the greatest actor of all time, I'm lying, but still, he is really good. He said, "I'll cash that check. Yeah, I'm totally interested in revisiting Mace Windu. Always. Jedi never die. I just want to be one." And then he goes on to say, he's like, "I know you're all in my corner on this. We all know Jedi can fall from incredible heights and survive, so apparently I am not dead. Yes, I have 2 appendages right now, but we know the long and rich history of Star Wars characters reappearing and new appendages being stronger and better than they ever were. Mace Windu is awaiting his return. Let's make it happen." Now, I don't know how I really feel about this. If he came back, I wouldn't really care. I don't know why everyone likes Mace Windu so much. It's not that he's a great character, because watching the prequels, he wasn't really much of a character at all. He just kind of sat there and was a dick to Anakin and just kind of... It was really a big waste on Jackson's character. Jackson's character is more of a... Or Samuel Jackson plays roles that are really good at, you know, being loud, angry, and mean. I mean, you know, being a badass motherfucker. He didn't really do shit in the prequels. And the coolest part of him in the prequels was the fact that he fought Palpatine. And some people thought he won, some people thought Palpatine let him win, whatever. But still, if he came back, I wouldn't care because, like I said, he's not a good character. So it'd be more of an opportunity to make him a more good character, because I don't know what the fuck he's about. He's just kind of stern and mean, honestly. He didn't really do anything in the prequel, so it'd be nice to see him come back and actually have some more character to him. Honestly, one of the problems with this is going to be the fact that the problem I have with Ahsoka being canon and surviving Rebels is the fact that, well, you know, the entire Empire is going on, and Luke's having to defeat the Sith, and you're not really doing shit. I mean, Ahsoka literally didn't do anything to help them, which is really annoying and stupid to me. And then you have the fact that this probably would be the same thing for him, but I think the best way to play this is you have a movie about him hunting down, or you know, trying to figure out what's going on, and trying to survive and, you know, help the Jedi or whatever, and he finds out that, like, all the Jedi have died, basically, and so, by some miracle of God, he goes and finds Yoda on Dagobah and talks to him, and he talks about how they have to, you know, work together and go fight the Emperor and destroy him. He's like, because, you know, I almost beat him, you almost beat him, but both of us together can beat him, and Yoda's like, no, you know, our time's over, you know, we gotta, you know, a new hope will come, or something like that. And so, Mace Windu, out of anger, you know, goes out and he tries to defeat the, evil, or I wouldn't even say out of anger, he just tries to, I guess, I don't know, it has to be some character arc for him, but, you know, he tries to fight, you know, the Empire or something like that. He joins a rebellion, or Saul's little squad or whatever, and then Vader and him battle it out, and Vader kills him. That would be a good standalone movie, but odds of that happening are slim to none. I would be there for it if Mace Windu came back. Like I said, I think Samuel Jackson's a great actor. I don't think Mace Windu's a good character, though, so I would be there just to see him come back, honestly, but that's just because I like Samuel Jackson, not because I like the character of Mace Windu. So, I don't know, comment your thoughts below. What do you guys think? Do you want Mace Windu to come back in a standalone film, or any other way? I think they should bring him back in a proper way, and even a standalone film wouldn't be that bad, honestly. It'd probably be the best bang for your buck. So, I don't know, comment your thoughts below. I'm Star Wars Only. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all next time. May the Force be with you, always.